Imagine this. You're driving home late at night, traffic is heavy, and the unexpected happens, an accident right in front of you. Without the right dash cam, proving what actually happened can turn into a stressful back and forth. That's where today's product steps in. Welcome back to Autovated, where we break down the best automotive tech so you can drive smarter and safer. Today, we're reviewing the Vantrue N4 3-channel dash cam bundled with the Type-C USB Hardwire kit, a setup designed to capture every angle of your drive and even protect your car while parked. I've gone through expert testing reports, verified buyer feedback, and competitive comparisons to give you the most reliable take. The Vantrue N4 is a 3-channel dash cam with a 155-degree front camera, 165 degrees inside cabin camera, and 160 degrees rear camera, recording at 1440p plus 1080p plus 1080p simultaneously. For sharper detail, you can also run the front at 4K plus either the rear or cabin at 1080p. This design solves the pain point of incomplete coverage. Whether you're worried about hit and runs, road rage, or rideshare passenger disputes, you've got a full 360-degree witness on record. Paired with the included Hardwire kit, it unlocks 24-hour parking monitoring with motion detection and impact-triggered recording, ensuring your car is protected even when you're away. Key features stand out. First, the infrared night vision with a Starvis CMOS sensor and f1.4 aperture lens means license plates and cabin details are clear even in pitch black conditions. Second, the supercapacitor build handles extreme heat and cold, which is crucial for drivers in climates where lithium battery dash cams fail. Third, its parking mode with motion and collision detection directly addresses theft and vandalism concerns. Finally, it supports up to 256 gigabytes of storage, reducing the risk of losing critical footage due to overwrites. So, what's the real-world verdict? Users highlight reliable video clarity day and night, especially for rideshare drivers who value the inside cabin view. Verified buyers in hot states like Arizona and Texas consistently praise the capacitor design for not swelling or failing in heat. On the flip side, setup can be intimidating, especially for those not used to hardwiring, and the GPS module is an additional purchase rather than included. Pros: crystal clear video quality in all lighting, wide triple-channel coverage, durable supercapacitor build, effective parking protection. Cons: GPS sold separately, installation can be complex, larger file sizes mean you'll want a big memory card. Compared to the next-based 622GW, the Vantrue N4 lacks built-in GPS and Alexa integration, but it offers better interior monitoring for rideshare drivers. Against the Blackview DR750X3CH, it's more affordable and simpler, but Blackview's cloud features are stronger. So, it comes down to whether you want maximum app features or reliable 3-way coverage without the higher price tag. If this review is giving you the clarity you need, go ahead and shift gears. Hit like, subscribe, and tap that bell so you never miss our fresh breakdowns here on Autovated. In terms of build quality, the N4's materials and capacitor-based design give it an edge in longevity, with fewer reports of battery swelling or overheating than lithium-based competitors. Vantrue's reputation for steady firmware updates also keeps features improving over time. Customer support is decent, with 18-month warranty coverage and email responses typically within 24 hours, though some buyers wish for a live support option. Who's this for? Daily commuters who want peace of mind in traffic, rideshare drivers needing cabin coverage, and anyone in extreme climates looking for a dash cam that won't quit under heat or cold. It's less ideal if you want plug-and-play simplicity or advanced cloud features. My verdict: if you value 3-way protection, night vision, and durability in tough conditions, the Vantrue N4 bundle is one of the stronger choices in its class. If you need more connected features, Blackview or ThinkWare may suit you better, but for reliable recording and long-lasting build, this one is tough to beat. Thanks for tuning in. Links to check out the product are in the description and comments. Drop your questions or share your experience if you already own the N4. I'd love to hear your take. Until next time, stay safe, stay sharp, and keep your drive automated.